Pick the irregular verb. Test your grammar skills. Which of these verbs is irregular? I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. Is it A, glue, B, screw, C, view, or D, do? The correct answer is D, do. The past simple is did, and the past participle is done. Number 2. Is it A, P, B, ski, C, C, or D, agree? The correct answer is C, C. The past simple is saw, and the past participle is seen. 3. Is it A, fake, B, wake, C, bake, or D, quake? The correct answer is B, wake. The past simple is woke, and the past participle is woken. 4. Is it A, hum, B, drum, C, come, or D, strum? The correct answer is C, come. The past simple is came, and the past participle is come. And finally, number 5. Is it A, hold, B, mold, C, fold, or D, scold? The correct answer is A, hold. The past simple is held, and the past participle is also held. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.